Setting up Mailchimp for website tracking can be a game changer for your marketing efforts, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step so you can start tracking your website visitors and understanding their behaviors. Stick with me to the end, and I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial that'll let you dive deeper into Mailchimp's powerful features. Let's dive straight in. First things first, if you don't already have a Mailchimp account, you can sign up for free. You'll get access to a range of useful features, including email campaigns, automations, and, of course, website tracking. Once you're in, head over to your account dashboard. Next thing, inside the Mailchimp dashboard, you'll want to go to the Audience tab. If you haven't set up an audience yet, go ahead and create one now. This is where Mailchimp will store all your data, like email subscribers and website visitors. It's important to ensure this is set up correctly for effective tracking. Now, let's move to the fourth thing, installing the Mailchimp tracking code on your website. For this, go to the Account menu, click on Integrations, and then find the option for Website Tracking. You'll see a unique Mailchimp tracking code. Copy that code. Next, you need to add this code to your website. If you're using a platform like WordPress, it's as simple as installing a plugin or pasting the code in the header section of your site. If you're using a custom website, just place the code before the closing and lt/head and gt tag in your HTML. Next thing, let's talk about setting up goals. These are important because they allow you to track specific actions, like purchases or form submissions. In Mailchimp, go to your website tracking settings and choose which actions you want to monitor. For example, you could track signups, product views, or completed purchases. This data will show you which pages and actions are performing best. The fifth thing to set up is email automation based on visitor behavior. With Mailchimp's automation feature, you can trigger automated emails based on the actions people take on your site. For instance, if a visitor adds a product to their cart but doesn't purchase, Mailchimp can automatically send them a reminder email. Next, let's talk about analyzing your website data. Once your tracking code is live and goals are set, you can start looking at the reports. Mailchimp's analytics will show you valuable data like how many people visited your site, which pages they viewed, and how they interacted with your emails. This will help you refine your campaigns for better results. And here's a little bonus tip. You can integrate your website tracking with Google Analytics, so you can get even more data on your visitors' behavior. It's an extra step, but the insights you'll gain are absolutely worth it. Now, before we wrap up, don't forget, Mailchimp's website tracking features are available for free, and I've linked to a special extended free trial in the description below. This will give you full access to all the tools Mailchimp offers, so you can really get the most out of your website tracking. If you followed all these steps, you should now have a fully set up Mailchimp account, ready to track your website visitors, send automated emails, and analyze your data for better marketing. And don't forget to check out that extended free trial for even more value from Mailchimp.